In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a separator for layout in Glide. To begin, head over to your Glide apps and open the app in which you want to add the separator. Once you are inside the app, navigate to the Layout section and go to the screen where you would like to insert the separator. A separator is typically used to create a visual space between two sections of your app. For instance, I have a table displaying employees and below it a contact component for reaching out to customer service. I want to add a separator between these two components to create a clear separation. To do this, go to the Components section on the left-hand side of your screen and click the plus icon. In the search box, type Separator, and you will see the separator component appear. You can then drag and drop it into the desired location between the components where you want the separation to occur. Once added, it will immediately appear in your layout. You can also switch to the desktop view to see it in a larger display. From the right-hand side menu, there is a size drop-down where you can select small, medium, or large, adjusting the space according to your preference. Additionally, if you want the separator to create space without displaying a line, you can toggle off the Draw Line option on the right-hand side menu. This will leave only the space between components without a visible line. And this is how you can efficiently add a separator for layout in Glide to organize your content clearly and visually.